hombre. Se me está haciendo agua en la boca. Oh, did you guys see that? Look how it just fucking pulled. I mean, how it just pulled apart. Like, oh, guys. No. Look at that. It looks like it's dancing. Just a little breeze going. It looks really, really nice. But, oh my goodness, guys. Hombre. Se me está haciendo agua en la boca. Oh, no. So crispy. Oh. Hombre. The seasoning on it, guys. Beyond delicious. Ahora estoy picoteando. It's okay. Al cabo que nadie mira. Oh my goodness. Hombre. You guys, oh, did you guys see that? Look how it just fucking pulls. I mean, how it just pulls apart. Like, oh, guys, no, like it's so. Oh, look at that, guys. Who needs a knife, verdad? So delicious. All right, let's munch a little bit and let's get to work, guys. Let's go. So this privacy wall is not done yet, but I'm so happy on how it's looking, guys. I got so many plants that I can just sit down right here and chill and watch them. Like, look at that. It looks like it's dancing. Just a little breeze going on. But guys, right now what I'm gonna do, like, okay, so I gotta rototill that whole section right now and take some weeds out. But before I get to that, I got some onions over there, my walking Egyptian onions that I freaking love. But I currently already planted some onions and some garlic over here that should be coming in. I got some already coming in, and then that section right there. Now I have all those Egyptian walking onions over there that I need to take out because I need to plant more peppers. So what do I do? I have this section that's unfinished. Might as well take this whole thing out. I know what you guys are thinking, but really I was a noob trying to put this in, so it really doesn't matter, you know. Like, I could put a whole concrete slab now. Like, I can do so many other things with it, you know, like a little water fountain feature or something like that. But for now I was thinking of doing all of this Egyptian walking onions because I just can't have enough onions or garlic. So I'm gonna take this all out and I'm just gonna go ahead. I don't know if you guys saw my little shorts video, but I will go ahead and put them in the front so that way I can outline the front and it can look nicer. So yeah, gonna go get to it. I'm gonna show you guys the front, how it looks right now, and then how it's gonna look at the end with all of this put out. So let's go ahead and admire that. But let's go ahead and go out and see how it looks over there, because I mean, honestly, the side part that I did, it looks so effing gorgeous. It's all nice and clean and everything. Check this out. Like, oh, it looks better from like this distance. Like, you guys see how I put all those little rock features right there that I made with concrete? It looks really nice. But I only did this side, and I'm like, man, I gotta do the front part, like, so it could all be nice, right? See, right here in this section, it has nothing. So I kind of wanted to border it all up. That way I can have that nice feature going around all here. That means right here in this part right there, I wanted to go all the way up in the front. That way it could all be bordered up and it'll look nice. So let me go ahead and get started. Well, there you go, guys. I am all done. I am extremely happy on how it looks. It has more of a cleaner edge to it. Very nice. Like, the grass is more defined, and that's actually gonna help the grass not come out, so I don't have to be taking out all that grass out by hand or with the whole thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, so happy with how it looks now. Very nice, clean looking grass. Look at that. Oh, so happy. I really am loving this edge. I can't believe I haven't done it before, guys. ¿Tú crees? Y ahí teniéndolos. Alright, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so freaking amazing. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.